Welcome to my channel, The Proper Guidance. Here we are in today's class to discuss about some programs in Python. This is program number 4. Write a program to determine whether a number is perfect or not. In today's class, we will discuss about this one, whether a number is perfect or not. Now, the first thing is, what is a perfect number? I think you people know what is a perfect number. Still, for the beginners level, I am just saying what is a perfect number. Perfect number means, suppose that one is 6. 6 equals to 1 into 2 into 3. 6 is multiple of 1, 2 and 3. And if I add all the factors of the given number, I will get the number itself. If I get the number itself after adding the factors of the particular number, then I can say it that this is a perfect number. Okay, so this is our concept, and here we are to write down the code in Python programming language, how to solve that, how to determine whether a number is perfect or not. So here is the variable n equals to int input, enter any number, colon, bracket closed, sum1. This is another variable to store some value to sum up these factors. Sum1 equals to 0. Okay, I initialize it as 0. Now here we use for loop. For loop in Python is this is the way to write down the for loop. Okay, this is the syntax. For variable name in range. What is the range? 1 and n. 1 and n means the range for I. The values of I will start from 1 and not exceed n. 1 to n. That is, n is given here 6. So 1 to 6 is the range of I. Clear? Now, if this is the for loop and this is the if statement. For I in range 1 to n, here 1 to n modulus I. N modulus I means we will collect the factors. N modulus I equals to 0, sum1 equals to sum1 plus I. Sum1 equals to, this is not the equal symbol, this is a sign. We then assign, if we get the modulus value 0, then we assign sum1. Sum1, this value initialized as 0, we assign here sum1, that is 0 plus the value of I, for which this modulus value will be 0. Clear? Now, if sum1 equals to n, if sum1, the ultimate value of sum1 after executing the for loop and if statement, we get the ultimate value of sum1, and if that sum1, particular value of sum1 will be equal to the given number n, then print this statement that the number is a perfect number. Else means if this is not equal to, if sum1, the ultimate value of sum1 is not equal to the given number, then we will print the number is not a perfect number. So this is the program here to determine whether a given number is perfect or not. Clear? So here is the output section. In output, we will see here that this input method taking the user input and enter any number. I am entering here 6. The number is a perfect number. And this is the output section. You can see this when you execute the program in your computer. But what is the write down section? This is important now to know properly. Now see, when in user input you are giving enter any number, that is 6 here. I am not writing this one. From this line I am taking n equals to 6. So sum1 equals to, the first value of sum1 equals to 0. That is, it is initialized as 0. And for I in range, this one, for I in range, the range will be from 1 to 6, right? From 1 to 6, if n modulus I equals to 0. Now see here, if First, the first value, if n modulus I. So, step 1, I equals to 1. When I equals to 1, 6 modulus 1 equals to 0. So, 1 will be taken here. Look, 1 will be taken here. So, the value of sum 1 will be changed, right? The value of sum 1 will be changed and sum 1 equals to 0 plus 1, that is 1. Keep it in a box. Okay. Then next value, I equals to 2. Again, 6 modulus 2 equals to 0. And again, 2 is taken here, right? 2 is taken here in the sum value. So, I can write here that sum 1 equals to, but the value will be sum 1 plus I. Sum 1 plus I, that is 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Make it a box. Again, I equals to 3 and 6 modulus 3 equals to 0. And we will take like this, sum 1 equals to 3 plus 3, that is 6. Now see, one more thing is that I value will be changed to I equals to 4. Whether 6 is divisible by 4, 6 modulus 4 not equals to 0, right? And again, I equals to 5. That section is also I equals to 5. 6 modulus 5 not equals to 0. And we will take, when we consider the range, that is 1 from 1 to n, that is from 1 to 6. 6 will be excluded. That means 6 modulus 6 will not be considered. Okay. We will just consider up to 5. I equals to 5 will be considered as the value for I in range 1 to 6. So, we collect here. See, there are 3 cases. 1, 6 is divisible by 1, 2 and 3. That is the main factors we are taking here, 1, 2 and 3. And after sum up all these factors, we will get the value 6, which is our given number, user input. So, we can tell this that 6 is a perfect number, the number is a perfect number. So, when we execute any program in computer, we will just get the output here. And this section, this is done in the backward, right? And this section I am discussing here just for to understand properly how the loop works, how the if statement works, how the variable works, how does it works from this one and that one. For your concept clearance, I am just doing this one. This is very vital. You may please write down this one. In every program, whatever may be the program, you may just write on it. And when you are expert in writing, you are become a very good programmer, I think so. Okay, so this is our program to determine whether a number is perfect or not. Okay, so for today's class, this is completed. Next day, we will learn another program. And one more thing is that if there is any query, please feel free to comment me. I will clarify your doubts. Okay, thank you for watching.